Today is December 3rd, Chloe's 18-month birthday.
Today?
Yes, today.
Not really.
Yeah, it is. Well, it's not a real birthday, but she's 18 months old today.
Mama.
Where'd Chloe go? Okay, Chloe, tell me what a doggy says.
Oh.
Oh, good. Tell me what a kitty says.
No.
Tell me what a cow says.
No.
Tell me what a pig says. Tell me what a rooster says. Tell me what a frog says.
Ribbit.
Shh, let Chloe do it, okay? Good. Tell me what a mouse says. What does a mouse say? Squeak, squeak. Good. Tell me what a turkey says. Good. What does a horse say? Yoo-hoo. Good. What does a sheep say? Good job. Emma, Chloe, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Good. Where's your eyes? Good. Where's your mouth? Good. Where are your teeth? You still have cheese stick in there? Where's your tongue? Good. Where's your arm? Good. Where's your hair? Good. Where are your ears? Do you have ears? What? More cheese stick? Can you show me your ears? Where's your leg? Good. Where's your knee? Can you show me your knee? Good. Where's your eyebrow? Alright, where's your cheek? Good job, Chloe. Where's your fingers? Good, where are your toes?
Where's your toes, Chloe?
Where are your toes? Oh, those are Emma's toes right there. Wow, Chloe, you know so many things on your 18-month birthday. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Alright. Emma, do you know anything on Chloe's 18-month birthday? What? Hey, you guys want to show me the Christmas tree you decorated? Let's go see. Oh, wow, it's beautiful.